Hello, Coach K community. Today I thought we would try out a nice wall Pilates workout today. All you need is some weights, but you're more than welcome to do this workout without the weights. Go ahead and meet me down on your mat and put your weights off to the side. Once you're down on your mat, you want to scoot closer towards your wall and place the feet flat on your wall. Now, to know what degree you need to be at, think hips and knees are in line, knees to ankle create that straight line. So you're making that perfect, like L shape or 90-90. Hands are gonna come to the stomach, close your eyes. We're gonna practice your breath. Take a nice big inhale, exhale. 2 more, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. Nice work. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the weights right away. You do not have to. We're gonna start with the arms, reaching nice and long, straight up towards the ceiling. Press those shoulders back and down. Slow and controlled, you're gonna resist those arms down towards your hip. Slowly reach them back on up. And again, slowly reach it down, slowly back on up. What's gonna happen is in 5, I'm going to add a center crunch here. In 4, you're more than welcome to stay down. In 3, 2, 1. So now as the arms go down, lift your head, neck, and shoulders, look through those lovely legs, and lay slowly back on down. You want to make sure that you're not pulling from your neck. We're relaxing your neck and the shoulders here. In 5, we're gonna hold that center crunch unless you prefer to stay laying down. In 3, 2, on this last one, stay up, flip your palms in, slowly open those arms out, slowly bring them back on in. So you open and close. Palms should be facing in towards your hip there. Beautiful, you're gonna keep going here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it through the center, reach those arms up, slowly lay back on down. We're gonna create big, giant arm circles. First, slowly crunch up and reach those hands towards your hip. Pause. Open out to the sides, circle up and around, bring it back on in to reset. Crunch, reach it forward, circle out, start to lay back on down. Crunch, reach to the hips, circle out and around, lay down. You are more than welcome to stay laying flat rather than adding that crunch in there. In 5, we're going to reverse that circle there. In 3, 2, 1. So now you're gonna start to open out to the sides, crunch up through the center as the hands go to the hip, bring it back on up, lay down. Open out to the sides, crunch, bring it up through the center, lay all the way back on down. We don't want to use momentum here. We want to make sure we're controlling here. 4, 5. In 4, we're going to hold the arms at our hips. In 3, 2, 1. Hold those arms at the hips. Palms are going to face down. Pump those arms up and down. You can lay flat or come up into that center crunch there. Breathing through it. Pulsing for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Bring it on through the center. Arms are gonna reach nice and long up towards the ceiling. We're gonna alternate bending one elbow at a time. So I'm gonna start with my right one. I'm gonna bend my right elbow to the side of my body, keeping my wrist in line with my elbow. Slow and controlled, press it back on up. Then to the left. Bend that left elbow wide. Push it back on up. You're thinking taking your elbow down towards the ground and back on up. Try to aim to get that elbow slightly in front of your shoulder there. Now, yes, we're working on our upper body here, but we also want to think about keeping that slight tuck in our pelvis. Thinking about ribs closing in. So we keep that core engaged even with working the upper body here. In 5, we're gonna go both arms, same time, same pace. In 3, 2, 1. Now together, both elbows bend, both press back on up. We bend, press for 10. In 9, we're gonna hold those arms up. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Flip your palms to face each other. Keeping a soft bend in your elbows. You're gonna slowly open out to the sides. Slowly press it back on up. And again, slowly open out. Bring it back on up. We're gonna go for 10. In 9, I got a fun little combo for us. In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pause at the top, flip your palms, bend your elbows back down. Press up, flip, open, up, flip, bend those elbows. Flip the palms in. When you open, push the palms up. Palms go away from your body. Bend those elbows wide. You got this for 10. In 9, we're gonna hold the chest press part halfway up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure your palms are faced away. Bend those elbows about halfway down. Pause, hold. In 5, we're gonna pulse it up and down. In 3, 2, 1. Little ups and downs. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Extend those arms nice and long up towards that ceiling. Hands are together. You're just gonna bend from your elbows. Reach those weights behind you. Slow and controlled, extend it on up. So we want to be feeling this in your triceps here. Think the back of your arms. You inhale as you bend, exhale as you lengthen. In a 5, you're gonna hold it halfway up. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it halfway. Little pulses up and down. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Touch it down to the mat. You only need one of your weights for this next exercise. Right hand's gonna have the weight. Right arm's gonna go up towards that ceiling. You're gonna extend that left leg nice and long up. Palm is gonna face, think towards the left leg. To start, take the left hand behind the head to support the neck. We're gonna crunch up and reach the right arm to the outside of the left leg. Lay all the way back on down. Crunch, reach on the outside, bring it back on in. So I want you to think the right arm is going on the outside, bring it back to the center. We're crunching and twisting to the left for 8. In 7, you're gonna hold it there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, hold there, pause. In 8, I want you to pulse up with your core, not the leg. In 3, 2, 1, pulse, reach that weight even further towards your wall. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it on in. Left hand's gonna have the weight. Right leg goes up towards that ceiling. Right hand is now behind the head. Crunch, reach to the outside of that right leg. Lay all the way back on down. Crunch, reach it over. Lay back on down. Same thing here in 7. We're gonna hold it to the outside of that right leg. In 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. In 5, we're gonna pulse. Same thing here, from the core, not your leg. In 3, 2, 1, little pulses. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to the center. Go ahead and grab your other weight so we have both hands holding on to those weights there. Arms are gonna reach nice and long down by the sides of the body. We're gonna alternate bicep curl. Now you can either rest your arms fully down and alternate here. Or if you wanna make it a little spicier, float those arms, hold that elevation, and then alternate that bicep curl. Beautiful, you're gonna be here for 10. In 9, we're gonna go both arms, same time, same pace. Now, if you can focus on this for me, the next time you extend your arm, keep a soft bend in those elbows. We don't wanna lock out that elbow. Keep that soft bend in there. In 3, 2, 1. Together, both curl in, both extend back on out for 10. In 9, I'm gonna add an overhead reach. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you curl, reach it over, bend it in, extend it down. Curl, reach, in, back down. We got 8, 7, 6. Keep fighting here. You got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Flip your palms in. Alternate hammer curl now. So now you're just gonna alternate from the right arm to the left arm. Again, when you extend though, don't lock out that elbow. In 5, we're gonna go both arms, same time, same pace. In 3, 2, 1. Together, curl in, extend for 10. Same thing on this one. In 8, I'm gonna add that overhand reach. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You curl, extend, bend, bring it in. Curl, reach, in, back down for 8. In 7, we're gonna go to your last ab series today. In 5, you got this. Breathe through it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Say goodbye to those weights. Hands are gonna come behind the head, elbows are nice and wide. You're gonna start just with a center crunch here. I want you to crunch up from that center core, not because your fingers are pulling you up. Create a light fingertip hold behind that head there. In 5, I'm gonna add a right march here. In 3, 2, 1. Now you're gonna crunch. Bring the right knee in towards your chest. Touch back onto the wall. Crunch, touch for 8. In 7, we're gonna hold that center crunch and that right knee up. In 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold it there, pause. Now you're gonna rotate left elbow to the right knee. Do you rotate back to the center? Rotate right, back on through. Rotate, back to the center. Oblique twist for 8. In 7, we're gonna hold that rotation. In 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 8, 7, 6, 5. Can you crunch up a little bit higher for 3, 2, 1. Back through the center to the left. Crunch, reach the left knee up. Touch back on down for 8. In 7, same thing here. We're gonna hold. Then go into that oblique twist. In 5, 4, 3, 2, hold, twist to the left, back through the center. Left, center for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it through the center. Clasp your hands for me. Reach those arms up towards that ceiling. Slowly reach behind you. Get that length in that spine. Taking that inhale. Exhale. Hit out. One more. And circle those arms forward for me. Bring them arms up towards the ceiling. Right arm's gonna cross the body. Left arm is gonna hook underneath. Hold that stretch. Pull that right shoulder down. For 3, 2, 1. Carefully unravel. Left arm comes across the body. Right arm hooks underneath. Pause, hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those hands to the stomach. Roll those shoulders back and down. Taking that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale everything out for 3, 2, 1. You did awesome today. I hope to see you in the next workout. Bye.